Originally, I am from the Caribbean. I came from Trinidad. I saw myself doing something bigger. So, I migrated to America. HVAC kind of fell into my lap via commercial, and the things they offered was pretty identical to the things I was looking for. So that kind of, made me have an easy decision to make, which was to enroll. UEI teachers definitely play a vital role in kind of retaining a lot of our students here and keeping them interested in the curriculum. The instructors pay attention to the students' needs here. After being here for a couple months, I kind of felt at home here, because sometimes when you have everything pushing you from outside, just that teacher that you can relate to could be the extra edge or the push you need to kind of stay focused and to fulfill any type of commitment you make for school and graduate.